Hello, young math explorers. Welcome to Reading Readiness Centers, your one-stop destination for fun-filled learning. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey to discover the world of mixed numbers. Get ready for a math adventure filled with magical numbers and delicious treats. Remember when we talked about halves, quarters, and thirds in grade 2? Well, today, we are taking it to the next level and learning about mixed numbers, a super cool way to combine whole numbers and fractions. First off, what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on. They are the numbers we use to count whole things, like whole apples complete and undivided. They are the ones we use to count things like apples, crayons, or even our bouncy balls. But what happens when we have a part of something, like a half-eaten apple, or a shared slice of pizza? That's where our mixed number friends come in. Mixed numbers are like having a whole pizza and eating some slices. They are a combination of whole numbers and fractions, like 1 1/2 or 2 3/4. What are fractions? Fractions are like puzzle pieces that help us understand and represent parts of a whole. Imagine you have a pizza. Now, if you eat just a few slices, a fraction helps describe how much you've eaten compared to the total number of slices. Let's explore the two key parts of a fraction, the numerator and the denominator. The number of parts taken out of the whole. The numerator is the number of slices you have left, like the 3 slices of pie you didn't finish. It's like the taker of the pie, telling us how many parts you have. The total number of equal parts in the whole. The denominator is the total number of slices the pie was cut into, like the 8 slices of pie you started with. It's like the giver of the pie, telling us the total number of parts. Together, the numerator and denominator work like a team to tell the story of a fraction. In our pie example, the fraction 1/8 represents 1 out of 8 slices of pie. The numerator tells us how many slices you have left, while the denominator tells us the total number of slices. Now, let's picture a scrumptious pizza with 8 slices. You've already savored 2 whole slices, leaving 6 slices for later. The 2 whole slices represent the whole number part of the mixed number. It's like having 2 whole pizzas in your tummy. The remaining 6 slices out of 8 represent the fractional part of the mixed number. It's like having 6 slices left to share with your friends. Combining the whole number and fractional parts, we get 2 6/8 as our mixed number. This means you have 2 whole pizzas and 6 out of 8 slices left. Mixed numbers are incredibly useful in real-life situations. When you share a cake equally among 4 people, each person gets 1/4 of the cake. But if you have 3 pieces left, you can represent it as 1 3/4. Mixed numbers are also used in recipes. When you add 2½ cups of flour and 3/4 cups of sugar, you're combining whole units and fractional units. They are a combination of whole numbers and fractions, and they are incredibly useful in real-life situations. And there you have it, young mathematicians. Mixed numbers are a fantastic way to combine whole numbers and fractions. I hope you had as much fun learning as I did teaching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Reading Readiness Centers for more exciting learning adventures. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious. Happy learning, everyone!